My name is Pablo Iturralde. I am a graphic designer from Quito, Ecuador. I am the director of a studio called Ánima that has been running for 20 years now. The theme that I choose for the workshop is related to the way the students or the designers get the idea or the contents, the essence or the concept of the communication, and how to transmit this concept, which are abstract ideas, into concrete graphics that can express, even if they're not concrete, like something abstract, feelings or concepts. These concepts, but if I'm talking about happiness or pride or hope, these are abstract concepts that usually people don't know how to draw. So in this workshop, I try to get the students into the concept and try to make them feel this, and through feeling, they start to draw some graphical experiences that can express this feeling, and after that, these elements combining the abstract and the concrete, they create like a new image that it doesn't matter if it's beauty or not, it starts to communicate. The students, sometimes they have some problems understanding not my language but the process, because I think French design is really emotional, and my workshop goes more than in the emotional, in the rational way, so everybody, all human beings can understand one image through these graphical expressions that comes from feelings. I think because every country has its own way of thinking and its own culture. French culture, it's really based on aesthetics and feelings, and I don't know, this romantic thing or sophisticated thing that about the French people. And I can see that in the students of intuit-lab, that they're always, I mean, for them it's really important the aesthetics of the product, of the image. In my workshop, the aesthetics has a place always at the end of the process. So the students at the beginning were a little afraid because their work doesn't look beautiful in the moment they're making, so they got a little scared. And I was, my work is telling them to be patient, because the aesthetic problem can be solved at the end, after we solve the communication problem, because we have a specific goal that is to communicate, and once a piece of communication is to start to communicate, for me that's the goal. After that, we can take a little more time just to make it look beautiful or acceptable for the viewer.